private contractor, you possess a unique set of skills. You said it was clear.
I said the front was clear.
Front, back, right, wrong. Anyway, shall we? I have another job for you. So what we got?
Greg Simonds.
It's a billionaire arms dealer.
Oh, a lot of very serious faces up here, aren't there?
You can't catch this fish with conventional lures.
I'm sorry?
The lure being Denija Frančeska.
The movie star.
Greg Simonds' favorite movie star.
And how do we get him?
Blackmail.
Who's to get? Very good. Carry on.
The world needs you for your greatest role yet.
Who are you?
I'm your new manager. There's a sensitive and awkward situation between you and your sister-in-law.
I actually love my sister-in-law.
Yes, Danny. You made that quite evident.
When marimba rhythms start to play,
No need to be nervous.
No reason to be nervous.
make me swing.
They're all the killers.
You're an actor. Act.
Would someone pinch me, please? Is that Denija Frančeska? What's next for you?
I'm playing a mysterious self-made billionaire.
You just described me. Shadow me. Do whatever I do. Whatever I do, do.
Whoever Greg was buying from was amongst you last night. The Ukrainians. I can get inside the Ukrainians.
I hope you take them to dinner first, before you get inside of them. Sexually.
When we sway, I
What happened?
You recognise your Orson Fortune. That is a sexy name.
Cover's blown.
What do I do?
The movie star's gonna melt.
You stop Denija Frančeska.
go. You stop Greg Simonds!
You let me worry about that.
Make me thrill as only you know.
What are you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna shoot at them, Danny.
So you weren't seen by anyone?
Yes.
That's a yes. You weren't seen by anyone?
Yes.
Or a yes, you were seen by someone?
Yes.
Sway me